आसान हो जाएगी. We started finding history to be easy. 300 AD to 550 AD, who is there? Guptas. And there is several Guptas are there. Chandragupta first, and then Samudragupta, Chandragupta second, Kumargupta, Skandagupta, Bhanugupta. Several Guptas are there. And during that period, you know that not in architecture, painting, and then also in the literature, several ways they have developed. And then outstanding development. Therefore, it is known as what? Art and culture की वजह से क्या जाना था? Yes, golden age of India. Understood? And then by reaching Bhanu, the power started what? Declining. And then this is the Samudragupta, who is considered the Napoleon of India. You must be understanding. He is known as what? Never has been defeated in any war. And then he is considered the Napoleon of India. And I said that during the last period of Guptas, there is a coming of what? Hunas. Coming of whom? Just tell me. Hunas. Is there any development during that period? No. Hunas were only invaded. They are not interested in what? Doing anything. Establishment over there. So they did not sustain for a long time. Yes, they are like looters. Like I said that Muhammad Ghazani. कौन बोला मैंने? He was a person, he appointed a person that you have to write books and all, and then write a poem and couplets on me. उसको पैसे तक नहीं दिया. He is famous for looting the wealth from India. He never interested in making their territory. Only he left Punjab as his territory, that whenever I come, this is my route to come enter into India. Therefore, Punjab, Bhatinda region is known as Tabre. The Punjab mein Bhatinda is known as, just tell me, gateway of India. Actually, the people are coming to India from the west. From which region? Punjab. And Punjab, this question has been asked in the mains few years back. And then why the most of the battle took place in the which region? Yes, Panipat, Kurukshetra. These are the regions where the battle. So this is the only way to come. Plain area, through plain area, the largest army you can carry. You can carry the largest army. Instead of what is the plateaus and the mountain, the army ऐसे चढ़ते रहेगा. And you cannot carry the elephants, and you cannot carry some cavalries. Can you carry charioteers? It's not easy to carry the animals and all. So the plain area is the best suitable place to what is going to carry so many things. So I said that. उसके बाद आगे हमारे सबसे H for Hunas and H for Harshvardhana. Who can? And then Hunas remain only for, why say that? 550 to 600 AD. 550 AD to Hunas periods are 550 to yes, 550 AD to, and then thereafter coming of H for Harshvardhana, and he is famous for polygamy. He is famous for, just tell me, he is famous for polygamy. They are increasing his empire with the help of marriages. Understood? And once he tried to come to the South India, a person in the South India is there, he has given the 2 slabs. And then I said that, and after that he never dared to go, and that is known as यहाँ पर खांडवा gap है. There is which gap? That is known as a gateway of Deccan. It is known as what? Through this it entered, and it is Harshvardhana, and there is what? 2 slabs given by Pulakeshin II. 2 slabs has been given by Chalukyan king who? Pulakeshin II. And then he returned back, and they never tried to go south. And through which gap it entered? Tell me fast. Which gap? Khandwa gap. And Khandwa gap is also known as, tell me fast, gateway of Deccan. And Bhatinda is known as gateway of India. And what is in the form of Urdu and all? Tabre Hind. Tabre Hind. Understood? And then Harshvardhana, he is also a supporter of what I said that. Yes? Buddhism is also supporter of. And by that time already, Buddhism has been divided into Mahayanas, and then Hinayanas were already there. So he is a strong supporter of what? Mahayana. Clear? And can you remember H for Harshvardhan, H for Hinsang? One of the Chinese traveler. H for Harshvardhan, H for Hinsang. Camp. And then I said that thereafter, what is the period of this Harshvardhana? 600 to 650. Just tell me, 600 to, can you remember? Yes, tell me fast. पहले क्या था? And thereafter 650 AD, 1200 AD, Rajputas. In the north, there is a coming of what? 650 AD to 1200 AD, Rajputas. If you Kalachuri, Chandelas, Bundelas, Pratiharas, Parmaras, Gadwalas and all, Chauhanas. And the last you can see, Chauhana. And in the 1191 and 1192, you must be knowing that there is a what? Battle of Tarain took place in 1191, in which he has been able to defeat, and in which in the 1192 he was defeated. Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Muhammad Gauri. And the Gauri has left his slave. Gauri left his, and they are Turkish, and they have left his slave, and thereafter Delhi Sultanate. And in the Delhi Sultanate, 1526 AD. Just tell me which are the period I said the Delhi Sultanate? 1282? Yes, tell me. 1526. Tell me fast. Yes. 1206 to 1526. 1206 to 15. Yes. Delhi Sultanate. After Rajputas, there is a coming of, yes, tell me. Delhi Sultanate. And you know that Ikhtiaruddin Bakhtiyar, he left one governor over there, and by capturing after Bengal and Bihar, and after that one of the governor toward nearby Delhi, it is Qutbuddin who was there. And when this Bakhtiyar has been died, then Qutbuddin has become the what? Ruler. And thereafter 1206 से start हो गया. Yes, tell me which one? Delhi Sultanate. And in the Delhi Sultanate there is I said that 5 important sultanates are there. I said that Slav. पहले मेरे साथ, you have to speak some number with me. पहले अच्छा, just I'm making a story. I said slaves. If there is a servants at your home, sometimes you give importance to the servants. What the servants does? आप धीरे धीरे वो आपसे क्या करेगा? He will not behave well. He consider that it's my rights that he is giving this respect. But being a human, I am giving the respect to the lower portion. This is the kind of what? वैसे तो there is no up and down. But the society is like this. Like sometimes slaves are not too much educated, not socialized. तो कभी कभी क्या करते हैं आप? They are not behaving well at times. They are considering it, yes, they are the boss. They are what? तो slave in India कैसे आए थे हमारे इंडिया में? They are came with what is an empty hand. An empty को क्या बोलेंगे? खाली हाथ. Slave कैसे आए? Just tell me. Slav dynasty, खाली हाथ, Khilji dynasty. Yes, I said that. Slave came in India how? Empty hand means खाली हाथ. Slav dynasty and yes, tell me fast. Khilji dynasty. Yes. And then we have given importance to them. And then they started doing argument with us. जब आप importance दोगे slave को, they started doing argument with us. It means they, हिंदी में बोला जाए तो तुम तड़ाक करने लग गए. Argument means तो slave and then what they started doing? Tell me. तुम तड़ाक. Slav dynasty. Yes, tell me, Khilji dynasty. And then I said, Tughlaq. Completely okay in your mind? Slav, khali haath hai. And then what they did? Tumtala. And these Turkish people are long, yes, tall, smart, fair, smart. हमारी लड़कियों को फंसा लिया. क्या किया? And then they get married with our what is it? Girls. And then I said that, क्या कर लिया उन्होंने? शादी कर लिया. What they have done? तो कर ही रहे थे वो. I said that. Can you remember? I said the Slav खाली हाथ आए, empty hand. But they what they did? Argument means तुम चढ़ा. Slav खाली हाथ आए, then तुम चढ़ा. And thereafter what they did? And then India's wealth started draining. उसको लोग बोलते हैं माल लोड करके ले गए. लोड करके क्या गए? ले tell me. लोधी. याद करेंगे आर्किटेक्चर में ये सारा कुछ पढ़ना है आपको. Therefore I am telling you. I said that इसके डीपर पार्ट में बच्चों को ये भी याद रहता है. इसके डीपर में we'll go into the ancient. I said that Lodi, Slav, Khilji. Yes, tell me which of the dynasty I said this Delhi Sultanate? Slav, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, and Lodi. Slav, khali haath hai. What they did? Tum tada, argument, and thereafter I said Sadi and then load karke. Understood? You have to speak some number with me. 6, 9. Can you remember? Yes. Thereafter I said that 20. याद हो गया? 6, 90, 20. Can you remember? 6, 90, 20. Yes. Then I said that 30. Yes. 51. And then 6. 13, 51, 26. Which are the number I said? Tell me fast. 6, 90. 6, 90, 26, 90, 20, 13, 51, 26. Yes, bola karenge. Then you can remember. How you have remembered 2 7 ja? 14. Yes, 9 8 ja? 72. And how you remember 18 7 ja? Went away because you have not practiced it. And when you will practice, you can remember. Yes or not? 19 7 ja? Not remember. 133. हमने क्या बोला? 6, 90, 20. What I said that? Tell me fast. 6, 90, 20. 6, 90, 20, 13, 51, 26. 13, 51, 26. Listen. Slav dynasty, 1206 to, and then Khilji dynasty, 1219 to 1320. And then Tughlaq, 1320 to 1430. And then 1413 Sayyid, 1413 to 1451. And Lodi, 1451 to 1526. Clear? So, and then most important, I said that architectural development took place in this period. Tughlaq ने तो अपना खाना ही, he has whatever it has money and all, he has done 5 mistakes. He has done the what? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Yes, he has done what? 5 mistakes. Because of this, all the wealth has been drained, and nothing is therefore architectural development has decreased during which period? Yes, tell me. And thereafter it has been followed by whom? Sayyid. The Sayyids have done nothing. They are worthless kind of what? Ruler. Shahrukh Khan. Yes? I am not talking about Shahrukh Khan. One Shahrukh Khan is there. So I said, जब आप पढ़ेंगे, then I said Sayyid. Thereafter I am saying that there is in a Lodi, little bit, I said that during the Firoz Shah. What is it I said? In the Firoz Shah, Tughlaq thoda sa bada tha, and during the Ibrahim Lodi, little bit has been increased. The most important, it has been increased during, yes, During which period? Slav and Khilji dynasty. Understood? And if you see that Slav dynasty period is large, Khilji small, Tughlaq large, Sayyid is small, and Lodi large. Alternate. Large se start हुआ, finishing with the large. Understood? So I said that Sayyid, it is in a first is in a Slav dynasty. And within this, you know that under this different rulers are there. Some are what is known tribes of Ilbari tribes, and some are Mamluk tribes. The rulers are there. Therefore, Slav dynasty is also known as what? Ilbari as well as Mamluk. Understood? So Slav, Khilji. Slav dynasty कब से कब तक है? Fast. 1206 to 1290 and 1290 to, yes, tell me, 1320. 1320. Who is there? Khilji. And 1320 to 1430. Yes? Tughlaq. And 1413 to 1451, Slav. Sayyid. And thereafter we have seen 1451 to 1526, Lodi. Complete idea ho gaya yahan tak? And then last, I said that Rana Sangram and the several people are there in the Mewar rulers, Rajputas. They were not happy with this Lodi and all. And they said that it will be better to call upon some Changiz Khan family, and then Babur was existing. Yes? And then Babur came, and they have been held by the what is an Indian rulers itself. And then some of the uncles of what is an Lodi empire itself. They have been held, and then finally 1526 what happened? First battle of Panipat, and after that Ibrahim was what? Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur, and coming of Mughal empire. I said that. Which empire come? Yes, tell me first. Mughal empire. And in the Mughal empire, I said